Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Decor Styles. Friends, certainly let's delve into some of the most popular interior design styles that can add flair and personality to any space. Whether you are decorating your home, office, or a specific room, understanding these styles will help you make informed design choices for your space. Here are some design style you can choose and you can find your own design style. Number 1 is modern interior design style. Guys, modern interior design style has its own features like characteristics, color palette, era, key elements, and visualize. We're talking about characteristics. Clean lines, simple color schemes, welcoming feel, glass, steel, and historical influences. Color palette. It dominated by black and white with occasional shades of blue and red. It originates from the early 20th century and it has its own key elements, which is minimalistic, individualistic, and timeless. Imagine sleek furniture, open spaces, and a sense of sophistication. Number 2 is contemporary interior design style. Contemporary interior design style has its unique features like versatility and visualization. A blend of design styles from various eras, clean lines, neutral colors, and a focus on functionality. It is adaptable to changing trends. Picture a harmonious mix of classic and modern elements. Number 3 is minimalist interior design style. And it has simple, uncluttered, and serene aesthetics. Natural textures like wood and stone materials. Think clean spaces, neutral tones, and purposeful design. Number 4 is Scandinavian interior design style. Friends, Scandinavian interior design style has its own features like elements, visualization, and it hails from Nordic countries. Natural materials, functional furniture, and comfort. Warm wood, neutral colors, and an inviting ambience for visualization. Number 5 is industrial interior design style. Interior design style of industrial interior design style has its own features like inspiration, balance, and it is something very different visualization. So we're talking about inspiration like factories and warehouses, and it has its own features which is exposed brick, metal, and raw material. Combines ruggedness with elegance, urban loft vibes, open spaces, and vintage accents. Number 6 is Bohemian interior design style. It has a very different quality and features, and you can say it has a very different characteristics of spirit. Eclectic, free-spirited, and artistic. Layers of patterns, texture, and colors are its mix and match elements. Vibrant textiles, plants, and a sense of wanderlust. Remember, each style has its own unique charm, and you can mix and match elements to create a personalized look. Guys, did you enjoy this video? If yes, then please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Happy decorating!